Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This Grand Caravan is featured in a silver paint finish and is the Crew Plus trim. It includes features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, tri-zone climate control, a powered liftgate, power sliding rear doors, second row captain seats, and a third row bench seat to make seating for 7, as well as much more. Moving to the front of our vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power mirror controls, as well as our power window controls and power locks. The bottom is the controls for our third row sliding windows. In the bottom of the door, we have some additional storage, as well as a speaker. Just to the left of the steering wheel is all of our lighting controls, including our display cluster lighting. Down the side of the seat, we have our power controls. You can also see the seat here, finished in our black leather, and that's throughout the vehicle. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the middle. The left-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free and voice recognition, as well as our controls to adjust where our digital information system displays. The right-hand side has our cruise settings. We have our shifter just above to the right. Then we can see our infotainment system. And you can see that we have radio inputs, AM, FM, and satellite radio. Also can go into a menu, which can change our display. We also have an auxiliary in the bottom, as well as our controls on the left-hand side. Moving below it, we can see we have 2 large vents for the front of the vehicle, as well as our front dual-zone climate control. At the bottom, we have our heated steering wheel and heated driver seat button, and the passenger on the other hand side. We can also lock our rear climate, as we do have tri-zone climate control. Below it is our econ button, hazard lights, button to turn on our 115-volt plugs, and traction control. We have a little bit of storage below, as well as some sliding storage with 2 12-volt plugs, 2 cup holders, and some more storage in the back. Moving to our passenger seat, we can see it's also in our black leather and is also heated and powered in the front of the vehicle. Then above our rear view mirror, we have our lights at the front, a sunglass holder, and then the controls for our power sliding doors, powered liftgate, as well as the ability to turn our doors on and off. Then lastly, on the overhead, we have our universal garage door opener. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we can see that we have an alloy finish with a Dodge center cap in chrome. Moving out, we can see that we have a paint match finish on our side mirrors, as well as paint match finish on our door handles. Across the top, we have a chrome roof rack. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Dodge badging, as well as our Grand Caravan and Crew badging in chrome. We have a trailer hitch across the bottom, backup camera on the left-hand side. Opening it up through underneath, we have a power tailgate. In the third row, we have stow and go seating. We have storage down the left-hand side of the vehicle. We can also close the hatch through a button on the left-hand side of the vehicle. And as mentioned, we can see that we have our powered liftgate. Moving into the back of the vehicle, pulling on the door handle enables our power sliding rear doors. Inside the back, we can see that we have dual captain seats in our second row in our jet black leather. In the back of the driver's seat, we have a cloth storage, as well as the back of the passenger seat. Overhead, we have overhead storage compartments, as well as lights. We have our climate control also up on the roof. In the third row, down the side, we can see we have cup holders and storage. Seats in the third row, we can see we have 3 of them in a bench setting, all in our black leather as well. On the passenger side, we can see we have 2 cup holders instead of the 1, and also some storage. Moving again to the front, just next to our seats, we have our closed door buttons, And down the side of the second row seatings, we have folding options for additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.